Hello everyone, today I want to share with you the process of creating the second piece in my God of Dreams collection. This artwork is called Swimming in Subconsciousness. In this piece, a girl is peacefully floating in the water as if in her subconscious. At first glance, it seems like she is simply sleeping and dreaming, but let's take a closer look at each detail of this artwork. The girl represents a travel through her own subconscious. She is surrounded by water, symbolizing the depths and incomprehensibility of her inner world. Body is adorned with chakras that reflect her spiritual state. The primary chakra highlighted here is Anahata, the heart chakra. Anahata is located in the center of the chest and is associated with love, compression, and inner peace. People with a strong heart chakra tend to exhibit kindness, empathy, and the ability to forgive. They are open to new relationships and capable of finding harmony in their interactions with others. It's believed that a balanced heart chakra helps a person feel unconditional love and joy. The next chakra is Vishuddha, the throat chakra. It's located in the throat area and is responsible for expression and communication. When this chakra is open, a person can freely and honestly express their thoughts and feelings. They become eloquent, confident in their words, and able to inspire others. Vishuddha is also connected to creativity and self-expression. However, in this artwork, Vishuddha is depicted with the Eye of Morpheus, symbolizing its not yet fully realized potential. The Eye of Morpheus, which I talked about in the previous video, here symbolizes the process of observation and control of her spiritual development. There are also fish swimming around the girl. They may seem scary, but the girl is not afraid of them. This shows her trust in her subconscious and her readiness to explore its depth. The fish here symbolizes intuition and inner knowledge that comes to us through dreams and meditation. Hidden faces can also be seen in the water, barely visible in the waves. These faces symbolizes the voice and memories that emerge from the depth of our subconscious. They can be our own thoughts and experience, as well as the wisdom of our ancestors or universal truth. These faces, like shadows, dance in the water, creating a mysterious and magical atmosphere. When looking at this artwork, you can notice how the elements of water and light create a sense of calm and meditation. The girl surrounded by lotus flowers symbolizes purity and awakening. Lotus are often associated with spiritual growth and rebirth, adding an additional layer of meaning to her journey through the subconscious. Each lotus seems to glow from within, highlighting her inner beauty and harmony. Another important aspect of the artwork is the interplay of light and shadows on the water's surface. They create an illusion of movement and life, as if the water itself breathes and lives along with the girl. This effect enhances the feeling that her journey through the subconscious is something alive and dynamic, constantly changing and evolving. The title of the artwork, Swimming in Subconsciousness, reflects the girl's journey through her inner world. The description of the artwork adds depth and poetry to this journey. This poem describes her loneliness and search for inner harmony. Her heart yearns to be heard in this watery world, where fish and faces watch her and convey their mysterious messages. It's like a journey that helps her find herself and connect with her true essence. For no one but ourselves can understand us better and help us find our place in this world. Learning to hear oneself, whether in completely silence or in the echo of other voices. This artwork is part of the Women's World on the Foundation platform. It has already participated in many exhibitions and was even displayed on a Times Square billboard. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon to not miss the new videos. See you next time.